Hi English 131 students, welcome to the final week of the spring semester. Obviously this week you should be submitting your grant proposal. Make sure you just copy the grant request worksheet and write your grant underneath each question that I have in the grant proposal worksheet, okay? You don't have to delete the questions, just leave the questions as is, but do make sure that you fulfill the word requirement for each question. Again, make sure your request is specific to your community and that you are not using AI for your final product, okay? I will take off quite a few points if it's AI generated and it just doesn't fit the parameters of this assignment. I will have office hours this week on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Again, your grant request proposal is due on Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. So if you have any last minute questions about your grant proposal, I will have office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Thank you so much for a wonderful semester. I hope you learned a lot about your capacity and your capability as a writer. And also you learned a little bit about your own community and the way that you can potentially be a positive force for change in your community. Really, that's what the key is. I want to see some of you, when you graduate from MCC, do something for your community, okay? It's super important to be engaged in your community, to be the change you want to see, right? So I hope that this class gave you a little bit of that know-how and energy to make that happen in the real world. Again, office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I hope you all have a great summer. Take care.